Welcome to a quick overview of financial and billing options with MyDH. First, we now offer the ability to pay without a MyDH account with the Pay as a Guest feature on the sign-in page. Click and enter the requested information. You can find the guarantor number on your paper statement. We will continue this overview from within the MyDH account. Sign into your account. Choose your record of the proxy on the billing that you wish to see. Go to the billing icon and click on Account Summary. Here you'll be able to see your outstanding balance, pay now, set up a payment plan or view a payment plan if you have one. For further details, click on View Account Details. On this page, you can pay now. You can set up a payment plan. You can also see your outstanding accounts with the ability to see further details here. You can see your monthly statements here, and you can see recent payments. To request financial assistance, click here, Request Financial Assistance, and follow the prompts answering the required requested information and submitting at the end. Thank you for using MyDH.